So here I am pressing the power button on my brand new espresso machine. This is my first time using it, and I'm checking the power source to make sure it's actually plugged in to see if that's the problem, and it's not. I've never experienced having a brand new item not work on the first time. Guess there's a first time for everything. So here we are with my new espresso machine that I originally planned to do an unboxing video and a getting started video, and possibly a tutorial on how to make my favorite iced white chocolate mocha. But my experience kind of led this to a different direction that I did not expect. So that's why I'm sharing a review with you, so that you may be informed of something that may help you make the right decision about whether or not to buy this unit. So if you're interested in knowing more, stay tuned. So my original plan after purchasing my espresso machine was to record 3 videos. The unboxing video, which I recorded it in full, and a getting started video. So it was actually about midway through recording my getting started video that I realized there was a problem. So if you watch that little needle, you can see that not only is it not moving towards the red cup, it is actually starting to drop in temperature instead of increase in temperature. Also, the green blinking light, that should become a solid light at some time, which is the time when I should be adding the porter filter. I think it's called a porter filter. I waited for well over 10 minutes for the green flashing light to turn solid, and that did not happen. So I went ahead and added the porter filter, and just hoped that after I pressed the brewing button that I would still somehow get some espresso, but that didn't happen. Let me add that I did take a while in even opening this machine, and the reason was because I planned on doing my unboxing videos and getting started and all of that. Well, that was a mistake, because by the time I had a chance to actually record my videos and get started, I missed my return 30-day deadline. And despite me actually missing my 30-day return deadline, I received an email from the seller after the deadline saying that there was an unexpected problem in fulfilling my order, which, since I received my order already, I kind of disregarded the email thinking it was a mistake. And that was another mistake, because although the email referred to an unexpected problem with the fulfillment of the order, it was actually talking about problems with the machine and the indicator light and all of those things. So I did at that time go to the email and send a reply to the seller and let them know that my machine did not work and I was requesting a refund. So while waiting to hear back from the seller, this is the time when I decided to go back and take a second look at the reviews from previous buyers. When I took a closer look at the buyers that reviewed it with low scores, stars of maybe 1, and actually posted a video, then it was a little bit easier to see how purchasing this machine for me could really be hit or miss. Several of the buyers, the reviews showed that the machine didn't turn on when they pressed the power button. Some of the others complained that the machine stopped working at only 4 months old. Some of them referred to the sellers as scammers when they tried to reach out and get a refund. So I was a little skeptical when the seller finally responded to me and asked me to communicate with the company through their personal email and submit a video because Amazon's communication system did not support videos. But because the previous buyers referred to them as scammers, I was a little skeptical of that and wondered, why do you need a video if I'm telling you the machine does not turn on? So I looked at some of the other remedies that the company actually posted of what may be wrong, some troubleshooting ideas, and of course everything that was suggested in their video, I'd already tried that. So I pretty much felt like I was probably out of luck with that $118. So often I look at reviews and I try to give them the benefit of the doubt when I see the 1 stars and the low reviews, and wonder sometimes if maybe even the person giving the review did something wrong, and perhaps I did something wrong. I'm not sure. But normally when I press the power button on anything new, it doesn't require me to press it 3 or 4 times before the unit actually turns on. And it normally works. So I'm not going to recommend or not recommend that you buy this espresso machine. However, I will just say that it didn't work for me. So I don't know, I'll probably wait and do some more research and make a decision on which espresso machine to buy next. I'll probably up my budget for the next one because not always, but a lot of times you get what you pay for. So I wish you the best in your selection of your espresso machine, and comment below if you've already purchased a machine that works for you and may work for me too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I decided to pull the machine out one last time just to make sure it really didn't work before posting my review, and unfortunately still doesn't work. So I've uploaded a miniature review directly to Amazon to help other purchasers make their decision. Thank you for watching.